Lot-lot, ipinagmalaki at super proud sa kanyang soon-to-be son-in-law na si Jericho. Ang bongga lang na talagang suportado ni Lotlot de Leon at ang kanyang pamilya ang boyfriend ni Janine Gutierrez sa SOCMED kasi ay binida ni Lotlot na nanood sila ng Quezon movie ni Echo. Say ng nanay ni Janine. So yes, we watched Quezon last night and what a powerful, beautiful made film it was. Congratulations to our very own Jericho for a fantastic performance along with the entire cast and of course Direk Gerald for creating such a moving and inspiring work. It's films like this that remind us how proud we should be of Filipinos, that we have the talent, the heart, and the stories worth sharing with the world. Hashtag Independencia. Hashtag Mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino. Makikita nga sa isang picture na kasama ni Lotlot, sina Janine, Echo, mga anak na sina Max at Jessica, at ilang mga kaibigan. Sa ibang pictures naman ay kasama rin ang Mr. ni Lotlot na si Fadi El Sori at ilan niyang kapatid. Ang swerte ni Echo at gustong gusto siya ng pamilya ni Janine. Samantala, todo naman ang pasasalamat ni Echo sa kanyang soon-to-be mother-in-law. Thank you, with 3 red heart emojis. Sinagot naman ito ni Lotlot ng at Jericho Rosales Official. You were awesome, 100%. Congratulations dear. Samot-sari naman ang naging komento ng mga netizens. Wow, very supportive family. Thanks Miss Lotlot de Leon. Sana all katulad nyo. Supportive family. Kaya lang mas okay kung complete kayong magkakapatid. For sure, si Echo, very proud sa good support nyo than watching for me. Quezon is a masterpiece movie. Agree me sa mga good comments nyo. God bless you all. Wow, very supportive family. Wow, nice to see you all. Of you, bakit po wala si Ian and family? Lot, you have a beautiful girls. Your bunso, she's so beautiful. Why not try Pinoy Big Brother? Watch it today and it's so worth it. My idol, you are the best. Beautiful family, congrats Echo sa movie nyo. Ang bait ng asawa ni Lotlot. Very supportive. Wow, very nice family. Very supportive talaga sila. Congratulations at Jericho Rosales Official. Ganito nga, kainit ang pagsuporta ng pamilya ni Janine na talaga namang ipinagbandera at tinawag pa ni Lotlot si Echo na very own. Talagang itinuturing na nilang one of the member family ang actor. Kaya naman, for sure, sa kasala na mauuwi ang lahat sa balang araw. Gusto nyo ba yon? Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.